we're gonna make some window clings, and here's how you do it. So you're gonna take a jar, and you're gonna add some white glue, just enough to kind of fill up the bottom of the jar. So once you have enough that goes in the bottom of the jar, you're going to add a few drops of dish soap. So we're gonna add a few drops, like 1, 2, 3, you know. And then we're going to stir it up with a paintbrush. The first color we're gonna get is kind of a clear, milky white, gluey color that we can use to paint some snowflakes with.
Snowflakes!
I have a piece of this takeout container I was thinking about using, but you can also use like a sheet protector or the cover of a binder or just anything clear in plastic that you can let something dry on. And I'm going to paint a snowflake. So I'm just gonna go right on here. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So kind of just doing some crisscrosses. You don't want to go too thin with this paint because you want your window cling to be able to come on and off and not be stuck on your window forever. So you just want to add some extra. And then I have a really fun idea to make this even more special. I was thinking we could use some glitter glue. And you don't need a lot. On you go. And you can just take your brush and spread it around and make sure you get those chunks of glitter everywhere. You can also wait for this to dry and add the glitter as your second kind of coat. That looks really pretty right there. So maybe I'll make one more snowflake. Maybe I'll do a 6-pointed snowflake. And it's important to wait till this is dry, so make sure you wait overnight before you peel them off. And if they don't peel off, that's a good sign they're not ready to be put up on your windows just yet. Check this out. These are our window clings that we made for the holidays. I can't wait to put them up on my window and see just how festive they look. So, we're gonna take some craft sticks and we are going to glue them together like a snowflake. Just kind of like that. So we're just gonna take some tacky glue and we're gonna use this, just making like kind of little dots in the middle to connect these craft sticks together. And once they're set, it's time to paint.
Paint!
So I have some white acrylic paint, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on my little plate here. And I'm gonna paint my whole snowflake white. I'm gonna get my big paintbrush here. That's looking really good. And how cool is it to have some snow indoors? We are going to start adding our sparkle. Take some sequins. I'm gonna put some sequins on my little plate area. I really like these blue ones because they kind of give me that kind of like frosty look. Let me put some on here. So now all you have to do is have fun decorating. So I'm gonna use some more tacky glue and just find some spots to put some sequins. Maybe I'll do blue sequins. And sequins have a little hole in the middle. And they're actually great because the glue goes through that hole and helps keep it in place. Push those sequins on. Looking really nice. Wow, look at that. Our snowflake is really starting to come together. The next thing I think we should add is maybe a big sequin right in the middle. So I have this awesome gem. I'm gonna put it right in the middle here. So I'm gonna add some more sequins, and then I think this is gonna be a really beautiful snowflake. Check this out. This snowflake is our Crafternoon creation. And we can hang this up anywhere and we can make a whole bunch. And it's like we have snowflakes right inside our house. Bye.